Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So, I recorded a video of I try to do my natural hair like such and such. And I thought I was recording the first part of it, talking about it, and I wasn't. So, being that I'm trying to get this video up, I have to come and make a beginning part talking about this video. So anyways, before we start, I just want to let you guys know I am talking funny throughout this video, and a little bit I'm talking funny now. I feel like I still am. I had surgery a couple of weeks ago, so that's all I'm going to say. Just keep me in your prayers, you know. But anyways, and it affected my tongue, so yeah, I'm going to be talking funny in this video, but I don't care because I'm trying to get this video up. Anyways, I'm not going to show you guys the beginning of the video, so let me just bring it all together, okay? I'm going to do, this video is going to be me trying to do my hair like one of the Glam Twins, and I'm going to try to do a wash and go like Kendra. Granted, Kendra's hair is longer and thicker, my hair is shorter and thinner, but you'll just see how it turns out at the end of this video. I'm not going to show you guys the beginning of her video because all it is just her talking about the products that she used and so forth and so forth. So I don't feel the need to have to show that part of the video. So I think the video is just me jumping into me doing the wash and go. So yeah, I hope you guys can follow along. Pretty pissed that it wasn't recording. I thought it was. So yeah. So if you would like to see me try to do my hair like Kendra, one of the Glam Twins, just continue to watch this video. And also, again, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. I was recording and I wasn't recording.
Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, and just finger raking the product through my hair evenly.
Okay, so I've already did this first piece. I thought I was recording, y'all. I wasn't recording. I ain't going back. So let's go ahead to the second piece. Oh God, okay. And she's kind of like putting it all in together. She's kind of running her fingers through it all. Okay. Ugh. I feel like I'm pulling my hair out. Okay. Okay. That's that side. Okay. Okay. I don't know what happened. I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this side down. And I feel like my hair is drying up, so I need to spray some on there. Like, her hair is not dripping wet from what I see, so. She has a lot more hair than me, so I wonder how much I wonder how much she's applying to her hair. Okay. And okay. Hold on, Kendra. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna keep working it. my hair is shedding, you guys. Like I said, I just had surgery a week ago, and I normally wear my hair straight now, so I haven't, you know, washed it in a month. And also I needed a protein treatment, so that's what I was able to do today. Okay, Kendra, I'm coming. Okay, spray a little bit. Feel like your girl is drying up over here. Okay. Close my mouth. Okay. I actually really wonder how much product she's using. I feel like I'm getting white stuff, but I can't see. Like the white film in my hair. Okay, you guys, she's on the other side now. I feel like I'm getting white products in my hair, and I didn't put anything in it but the conditioner that goes with this, so.
Maybe I'm applying too much product. But you know what you're here for. Close your eyes. Be yourself beside me.
So after I'm done applying the product to my hair, I'm just going to run my fingers through it to make sure I don't miss any sections. And after that, I'm just going to scrunch. It gets even more defined, and I highly recommend that you scrunch it after you're done applying your product.
This is why I don't
do. Yes, I'm just scrunching.
This is why I like stick with what I know when it comes to hair products, because of this. Like, I go through all of this, and then the white stuff forms. Like, there's no white stuff in her hair. So why do I have white stuff in my hair?
And lastly, for my edges, I'm just going to apply some of the Pearls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. And lastly, for my edges, I'm just going to apply some of the Pearls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. And that's pretty much it for how I style my hair for a wash.
Kendra, I did everything you did. Like, girl, why do I have white stuff in my hair?
I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Kendra, why do I have white stuff in my hair? Why? 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 Why do I have white stuff in my hair? Well, you guys, I'm just going to come back when it's dry. Why do I have white stuff in my hair, girl? Why my hair don't look like your hair? I mean, we both natural, girl. Why? The struggle. Okay, so I'm not really mad at it. My hair is not crunchy. It still has some softness to it. Sorry, you guys, I'm struggling. My roots are still wet, but everything else is pretty much dry. I do have like some end pieces that are still kind of wet, but I ain't mad. Thank you, Kendra. I mean, you know, my hair is not as long and as thick as yours, but I appreciate it, girl. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun doing it. I was like, I didn't know how it was going to turn out. You know what? Honestly, this is the first time my wash and go has turned out like this. I'm not really a wash and go type of person, but this is the first time that my wash and go has looked cute, okay? Because my wash and goes, if you look at some past videos, my hair is super thin, which my hair is still thin, but because I flat iron it so much, but my hair is looking really good, I must say. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Bye, you guys.